In this video, I'm going to show you how I'm recovering my Ikea Roger chairs. I'm using upholstery fabric, scissors, staple gun, pins and a screwdriver. I've prepared my fabric already by cutting out enough 50cm by 50cm squares to cover each of the chairs. Turn the chair upside down and remove the two screws. Then push the seat pad out. I want to make sure that I centre my fabric exactly the same on each of my chairs. So I've marked the middle of the chair and the middle of the fabric. I'm using a pin to make sure that the 2 points match. Once the fabric is positioned, turn the cushion over, grab your staple gun and start wrapping the fabric tightly and stapling it in place around the four sides. On the corners, pull the fabric tightly and try and smooth out any wrinkles before stapling this in place. Once the fabric is secure, simply place the cushion back onto the chair, turn the chair upside down, and secure the cushion in place by replacing the screws and tightening these.